Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Y'all, I'm so sorry for the screwed up schedule lately. I promise we are gonna get our life together soon. But here's your intro. Okay, so today we are on a work trip. Who could have guessed it? We are always on a work trip. So we're doing a wear test. We are in a cute little town that some of you may have heard of. It's called Hot Springs. It's in Arkansas. And I'm going to show you some of the town later, show you my hotel, though it's not nearly as impressive as the last couple, but it's still pretty nice. So I'm going to show you all of that later, but for now, we're going to put some lipstick on. So today I wanted to test out Morphe's liquid lipstick formula. Morphe has some amazing palettes. I review them all the time. If y'all watch my channel, you know how much I love me some Morphe. They are my absolute favorite. So what I wanted to do is take this liquid lip. This is in the color Nibble. I was gonna do Hot Shot, which is super gorgeous, like true red, maybe a little orange red, but I'm at a work conference, so I muted it down, settled for Nibble. That's what we're gonna test. It's very dark, and we're gonna see how it performs throughout the day. So right now, I'm live, but if you can see that little time right here, it is 8:10. I don't think you can see that, but it's 8:10. So we are gonna wear this until probably more like 9-10 o'clock tonight, maybe even later. I'm gonna give you check-ins however long I keep it on, but it'll be late because we got a late night plan tonight. So I guess what we need to do is go on ahead and put on this lippy. So speed it up, editing flow. So, I guess we overlined today. I do know okay, let's start this out by saying I have been wearing Morphe liquid lipsticks a lot. Mostly the nude ones. I love Brunch and Virgin. I had Brunch on in one of my last videos. It's one of my favorite colors ever. It works really well, but it's also a nude, so that's different. But I have yet to try the darker ones for an extended period of time. As of right now, I don't hate it. It did take 2 layers to get it completely opaque. That's fine. It's pretty. The applicator didn't make my life any easier, but it didn't really make my life any harder either. So that's totally cool. Yeah, I guess that's all I've really got for now. This is the beginning of the day. We are gonna see how this performs. We have got it all on the agenda. We've got breakfast in a minute. I'm gonna go to breakfast in about 20 minutes. We have got conference all day. We've got lunch. We have got to go get dinner, and then we have a late night networking shindig type of thing that should be extremely entertaining. So we are gonna see how this holds up to all of that. Crossing my fingers for well, because I don't want to look crazy today. But if we keep this on through everything, we'll probably get a solid 15-hour wear test or longer. So we're gonna see what it does. We're gonna hope for the best, and I will see y'all in a second. Okay guys, so check-in time. We're about to eat lunch and we're gonna destroy my lips, I already know it. So here we go. We're a little patchy through here. Not all the way opaque. It's not bleeding too bad. The start color's not holding up how I want. So we're about to go eat our sandwich for lunch and see what happens. Oh, and we're 4 hours in, by the way. Y'all, excuse the dirty windows, but look at this view. I just want to go play in downtown, but nobody wants to go with me. Ugh. Okay guys, so check-in number 2. It is 5 o'clock. That puts us 9 hours in. Is that even right? Yeah. So we're 9 hours in. Let's go on over here. Bleeding, crooked. Not feeling it, but I did eat a sandwich, which is kind of rough on lipstick, so not too mad. This is definitely coming off at the 12-hour mark because I still have business stuff tonight at 8. So we're definitely taking this off at 12 hours, but I'll show you right before I do. Hey guys, okay, so I was taking a power nap and I just woke up. Ooh, so it's 8:20. I have something to go to at 8:30. So we're taking this off now. It's been 12 hours. Bless this lipstick's heart. It did not hold up well, but I will say that I think had I been more careful, it would have held up really nicely. But I had a sandwich for lunch and for dinner, and sandwiches are not very good on lipstick. So I'll give it that. Pretty color. Still there, but it just faded and patched off. And I'm just not feeling it. So yeah, I hate to be a downer. It's still pretty colors, and if you touch them up, they're fine. I wear the nudes all the time, and they work out really well, and they fade off really nicely. But yeah, I guess that's it for today's wear test. I might have thrown some music in from the little thing I'm going to right now before you saw this clip. I think I'm going to. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this wear test. I swear we're gonna get back on a schedule. And yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. I will see you soon.